Never head of my enemies.
All right, guys, we've been having camera issues, but I wanted to show you what we've picked up. You see that mess right there? That's where Greg's at. We did some last night, we're doing some today, but the goal is to remove all this, all that, and we're gonna be taking the trees that we have back there because we thought that they would be awesome trees back there because they would grow big and kind of create a privacy fence for us. But unfortunately, because my dogs keep peeing on the trees, do you see the one that's dead right there? That's the third time we've replaced these, that specific tree because the dogs keep going around to each tree and peeing on them and it's killing them. So we decided to move those trees and save some money and bring them here. All right, honey, tell them what's going on.
We're removing these unwanted bushes that have been here for years. It's time to vacate.
So we were thinking of keeping them. If they all look the same like this one, to me it wasn't that bad if we could have shaped them up, but they're not. Let me show you guys. It's just a mess. And then we have like a bunch of gaps. It doesn't look right. See, they're just overgrown and they don't look good. So guys, these are up in there. These
roots, baby.
These roots are crazy.
Yeah, cut this off by the root. Get this done.
Wow.
That's the way we do it.
You're a hot mess. He thinks he's Thor with that hammer. All right, so we'll be back, guys. Well, I'll be back because it's my turn to use the loppers and cut this down. And to show you how much of a mess it is, I'm going in and cutting the branches with the loppers, and then Greg will come in and then get everything up. But this is a hot mess, guys. Look, just a hot mess. Uh-oh, and look at Grace. Look at Grace, babe. Babe, look at Grace.
Oh, she stole my hat from my room.
Help me. Oh, she said it was in her closet.
It is hers. It's not yours. Don't put your big head no more.
Hey, bro, boy, you want to get help? Yeah, put that over there. Go over where? Look at her boots. Oh, my God.
Look at her.
Look at her face.
Look at her strength, yeah.
Gracie, Gracie, let me see you. Roar, show them.
Yeah!
No. Oh no, baby. Babe, we broke a nest. Babe, there was a nest there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. We had no idea, guys.
Yeah.
Ayana saw it. Oh no. We killed birds.
Wow, Greg.
Bruh.
We had no idea,
enough.
guys. We would never have done that if...
I would have relocated them.
Yeah, I am so heartbroken right now.
Is there any more?
I don't know. Can we please not?
Yeah, those are all done.
Is there any more in there, though?
Don't know.
Jeez.
Oh, poor mother bird.
Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord, I feel so bad.
The very end of the bush.
Okay, let's just be very careful then whatever we're moving, because how about if there's more eggs? Yes, Justin.
Head of mine enemies.
Oh my God. And you almost fell.
Another head of my enemies.
It's actually the head of mine.
Alright, now that we're almost getting this flat to where it should be, we're gonna pick up all the rocks and get this out of here.
You missed that big one back there.
We're gonna leave that one right
Guys,
there.
look at how many rocks.
Yeah.
And this is the second time he's done this.
Yeah.
A lot of freaking rocks, man.
Yes, yes, yes.
Guys, look. Greg came out early this morning and finished taking out all the stumps. And all we really have left to do is that right there. That's not our side. That's our side right here. And that's all the branches that we've taken out so far. But these branches, we will be taking them out, but not until we finish the front part, because then there's like no privacy between our property and the neighbors. So we just want to keep that there, but just for now.
So now we're getting ready to plant our arborvitaes. I have my first hole already dug. I took a quick moment to find out what was the proper depth and what was the proper size hole I needed for this arborvitae to go into, and they recommended it was 20 inches deep by 30 inches wide. I know I'm gonna have enough room for the fruit ball, and I have all my cones lined up to where it's gonna look right on the property line. So I got a lot of digging to do. A lot of digging to do.
All right, guys, we have planted our first arborvitae. Greg, how do you feel?
Accomplishments.
Isn't this a lot more work
Yeah,
than we thought? And it's heavy, guys.
yeah. Well, we got a dolly here that's helping us out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the only reason, again, I'm still not able to record and show you guys so much more is because I'm helping Greg, and our camera is still not working, but we have an appointment with Best Buy tomorrow. Right, honey?
Yeah, we gotta get that done.
Yeah, because I am tired of this. All right, so we're gonna be doing 2 more today. Today is Wednesday. Thursday's gonna be raining a lot.
Yeah.
And hopefully
Thursday
finish by
rain,
Friday.
Friday will be the day we try to get all of it done. See if we can do that.
Yeah.
Let's get 3 of them. We got 1 more. We go 2 more.
2 more.
Today.
I wanted to avoid hitting the root ball at all costs, so I decided to dig down at least 10 inches away from the center on all sides. It came right up, and I had Justin to help me out, and here we are, we're on our way.
You can tell he's a landscaper, right, guys?
Not even close. Not even close.
And we got our good helper here, Justin.
Yes. We got measurement. We got about 18 inches right there. So you want to bring it up to we'll probably add about 3 inches of soil.
So here my hole had to be at least 20 inches deep and at least 30 inches wide. So that's what we're measuring out for, and everything's good. So mixing our soil, we decided to go with cow manure, topsoil, and the native soil. We mix all 3 together, and that's what we're going to use to fill in around our tree.
Perfect. So now that we have the tree all leveled out, Justin is adding the soil to the root ball, and I'm just going to hold it here so we maintain position. We want it straight.
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 you doing over there?
4 trees.
What? Let me see. Look at this little girl right here. Wow, Grace. You look so cute. All right, back to work.
Gotta keep an eye on you, little girl.
You're sweaty.
I'm sweaty. Come here, give me a hug. He still will give me a hug. Give me a kissy, real sweet. Come on. Wow. Give a kiss to Nani.
I'm tired.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I am everybody. So, goodbye.
What are you tired of?
What are you tired of, Gracie?
Flowers and
Flowers?
yeah.
Yeah, me too. They're looking really, really good, guys. We haven't mulched them yet. Right, honey? That's what we have left to do? Is once we put them all, we're going to mulch them all?
Yes, yeah. That's the plan tomorrow. We're gonna mulch it, and but it looks really good.
It does. It looks really, really good. All right, guys. Another tree up.
Ooh, isn't it looking beautiful?
It is. It definitely is.
Yes, it is.
Tell them, Gracie.
Tell them, Grace.
Dear, my daddy is working, so we put all these things in, so let's get to work.
Let's get to work, she said.
Last tree.
Being in the last hole.
And get through all these rocks. This is the last one. All right, guys, it is done. Check it out. It looks so good. Now we gotta mulch this bed, and we are gonna be completely done. Let's go. It was so sunny, it was really hot today, so we decided to wait for mulching when the sun's going down, perfect temperature, no better time. Let's get this done now. All right, so guys, now that I've spread 2 bags of mulch under each tree, I'm gonna spread this down, and you're gonna come back and you'll see the finished product.
This project was a complete transformation. Look at the way it was before and look at the way it is now. It came out fantastic. I couldn't be more happier with this project. Stay tuned for next week as we transform these steps into something beautiful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Have a good week.